Hello, today we are practicing auscultation of the heart. Our student's name?
My name is Ishwarya. I am from OMA 224. Today we are discuss about auscultation of heart. There are 5 points. First point, it is apical region, mid-clavicular region. There are 5. We will check first point, second, third, fourth, and fifth. It is mitral valve.
Small upper. You listening now?
Yeah, ma'am. And second point,
Stand right side.
aortic valve. That is right side of second intercostal space at the right edge of sternum. And third point is the pulmonary region. That is second intercostal space at the edge of left sternum. Third point is the tricuspid valve. That is the base of schizoid process.
You listening sound now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
And fifth point is the third intercostal space at the edge of chest. That is the Birkin air.
No. Which intercostal space?
Third intercostal.
Yes, first, second, third, and where? Near the sternum, yeah?
Yeah, ma'am.
Put. If you're not listening, ask the patient. Inhale, exhale, don't breathe for a second.
Okay. Inhale, exhale, and don't breathe 10 seconds. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.